When it's time to clear the clutter on your desk, office, or around the house where things just accumulate, reach for the original VELCRO Brand's General Purpose Adhesive Fasteners, available in coins, squares, tapes and strips. These versatile fasteners are ready to tackle your organisational projects. They're ideal for smooth surfaces and come in a range of colours. VELCRO Brand General Purpose Adhesive Fasteners are ready for whatever project you can think of. If you've got items that you need to secure, then access, and then secure again, these fasteners are ready for the job. You can refasten them up to 1,000 times thanks to VELCRO Brand woven technology. When you need to hide it, store it, or organise it, use VELCRO Brand General Purpose Adhesive Fasteners.